Now it's easier than ever to remove stubborn, waterproof makeup even for sensitive skin. These wipes are made with a nourishing blend of 6 oils, including olive, jojoba, sesame, grapeseed, vitamin E and lavender, for gentle and powerful makeup removal. They quickly dissolve face and eye makeup and lipstick without irritation, leaving your skin clean and freshly scented with lavender. For even more convenience, these towelettes are individually packaged, meaning you can safely stash them in your purse or carry on without any worry of leaks or spills. La Fresh Eco Beauty products are kind to the earth and 100% biodegradable, compostable, and made with clean, renewable energy. Dissolves stubborn makeup. Powerful formula removes waterproof makeup, leaving skin clean and fresh with no greasy residue. Portable packaging. Keep these makeup remover wipes in your purse or pocket, anywhere you might need them on the go. Travel and carry-on friendly. Towelettes are individually sealed, so you'll never have to worry about spills or leaks. Safe for sensitive skin, gentle enough for the face and eyes with a delicate lavender scent. Eco-friendly. Natural wipes are 100% biodegradable and compostable, made using clean, renewable solar energy. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.